Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this kind of like I didn't think that this was this big. It's about like 8 or 10 inches, and I think it's 8 inches, this one. But this camping and desk fan that this brand sent to me for this video is actually really cool. And I was not expecting this one to be this powerful. But the fact that it comes with a 20,000 milliamp hours battery inside mean that this one is going to give you enough juice to get throughout the day, like through the day. For example, if you're taking this one to the beach or camping, hiking, fishing, or just like a regular desk fan or like a nightstand fan, this one is going to be really cool. But there is another few things that I like about this one. So number one, I'm going to show you this. It comes with a light. So you can actually use this one for camping, for example. So that is really cool to have a light with 3 different levels. So that is actually pretty cool. I like it. And it comes with a USB-C port for charging purposes. And once that you get this one charged, it will give you in between 15 to 40 hours of runtime, depending on the power you use, because it comes with 4 speeds. And I gotta say that speed number 3 and 4 are actually really powerful. But besides that, right here, you will find that in the stand, which you can see that you can put it in any angle you want. You can put it just like this, or pointing up, or just like super straight. But it also comes with a clip with kind of like a hook. So you can hook it from the top of the tent, put it like this, and it will kind of like blow air to you if you're like kind of like resting in the tent or something like that. So that is kind of cool. That is really well thought. But what we're going to do right now, I'm going to point this one right here to my face. I have my microphone over here. So you're gonna hear how kind of like how strong it blows air. And by the way, it also comes with a digital display over here that's gonna tell you how much battery has left. So speed number 1, my microphone's over here, remember? So this is gonna be number 1. This is gonna be number 2. Okay. Number 3 started to get a little bit serious. And number 4, which is really powerful. Yep, I gotta say, again, this could be a fantastic desk fan or camping fan with a light, with a really big battery, and with that clip that you can use for the tent. I like it, and I do recommend it.